Welcome back, Teen MBAs. And today we're going to talk about a quick recapitulation of what we learned in the previous session. We are going to talk about what a business is and what it does. Ideally, we are talking about business management as a whole. The concept is about planning, organizing, directing, staffing, controlling, etc. And we've spoken about the various functions in a business and what are the roles and responsibilities of each individual who's involved in a business. Beginning today's session is one of the important sessions as we are going to talk about mind maps today. This is a small activity that is basically involved for brainstorming. When we talk about mind map, it's an easy way to organize your thoughts without worrying about any order or any typical structure, as it allows you to visually structure your ideas with the help of analysis and your recall value. The tool that we're going to use for the same is MIND MUP 2.0. Simply, you have to go to your Google Drive, and on the top left corner, you have to select the new button, click on More, and go to the option called Add More Options. When you go on this option, it's going to open up a new dialog box wherein you need to type MIND MUP 2.0 and search for the application. You have to install the application and then you have to begin formalizing your ideas about the same. The canvas is yours, paint it with the colors of your choice, and do make sure that whatever you're doing in it is a collaboration with your trainer. So basically, when we are talking about the mind map process, it is a diagram which is representing all the tasks, the words, the concepts that are linked to your business plan. Start thinking about something that you ideally want to do as your business. Look out for solutions of the problems that people in the society as a whole are making. This is the first building block that you are going to place for your construction business. And when we are talking about this entire piece together, a mind map can be simply simplified as a content management tool that we are basically using, as it stores all your data in a centralized location which stays organized along with you. When you keep on attaching files to it, you keep on making different branches to it, it gives you all the flexibility to think along with it. When we are talking about mind maps, I'm sharing a small example with you as per what my expectations are from you. Let's assume that this person wants to begin with the concept of herbal hair oil. When I'm talking about hair oil as a whole, you see here the person has named the oil as herbal oil. Next, you see all these nods going left and right. Let's analyze each of these nods individually. The first nod takes me to SWOT analysis. As stated before in the last session, SWOT analysis stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. You need to identify all the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats for your business. Herein, when we are talking about this hair oil, the person feels that the threats include existing competitors, emerging competition, variation in pricing. Because this is a herbal hair oil, this person might have thought of adding some Ayurvedic elements to it, etc. Talking about the opportunities here, this person feels that the collaboration with acupunctural camps, etc., is going to be an opportunity for this product to enter and move through in the organization. The grand fairs and the Dussehra fairs, etc., are going to act as an added advantage. The special membership cards for free samples, etc., are going to work wonders for this. Next, let's talk about the marketing strategy that this person is going to use. Mostly, people go for free marketing when we talk about things like Instagram, blogs, internet marketing, target population, product marketing, collaboration with existing campaigns like workshops, and aggressive marketing, etc. Next, this person has further divided the advertisement industry into subparts, talking about print ads, broadcast ads, digital ads, outdoor ads. What you need to incorporate here is also their pricing. When we are talking about any of these things, you have to talk about the pricing of each. How do you get to know about the pricing? Search on the internet, look out for the pricing of billboards, digital advertisements, print advertisements, etc. Everything is going to be available to you therein. When we are talking about all these things, the most important thing comes out to be my name here. So the person here has decided to name the product as dollar free. And the average cost of making this bottle is going to be rupees 100 for 200 ml, whereas the selling price is going to be 280. So in case you want to calculate the profit here, it's simply 180 rupees per bottle. The innovation here that this person has thought of is going to be the special edition bottles that are basically going to be the prime highlight of the product in the market. Herein, when we are talking about other things, it includes the financial management. If you look at the financial management here, we are talking about n number of variables. Number one, the kind of investment that is going to be needed. What are the preparation requirements? What are the basic needs requirements? What this person has missed here is basically the pricing of each of these. How much are these oils going to cost to this person? How much is this particular stance going to cost this person? And how much are these people going to cost to this person? Your costing should be included ideally in your mind map. I hope the concept of mind map, what we are doing in a mind map is clear. Here, through this mind map, you're going to share it with the trainer on the email ID that has been shared with you, and you're going to receive a feedback for the same. Thereafter, you have to make sure that you are checking in your homework template on this link that has been added onto the slides. Coming on with your second homework for the day, you have 2 fun learning movies to watch. Herein, in this course at Henry Harvin, we have learning along with fun. So we have these 2 beautiful movies, Pirates of Silicon Valley, The Founder, both available on Amazon as well as available on YouTube. These are famous documentaries, and there's going to be a lot of learning from these. You can simply spare out some time and go through these movies and understand what these people wish to convey here. When we are talking about these movies, they are ideally teaching us management principles, and fun learning here is going to be your understanding as to how these people worked through the difficult times. Here, talking about the learning outcomes, we have learned a lot many things that I would love to hear from you now. This is your space of luck, and I would want you to come up with all your learnings from Module 1. Great. Number 1, we learned what a business is. Number 2, we learned that how business management works for anybody. What is the difference between the various functions of a business, whether it be HR, marketing, advertising, finance, operations, etc. Lastly, we learned that how we are going to create a big business plan out of these small steps that we are taking right now. I hope you'd be able to complete your homework, and we'd be meeting back soon. Thank you so much. And with this, we end module number 1. Stay tuned with Henry Harvin and keep learning.